Is it recording? Yes. All right, cool. Guys, hey, I wanted to make this quick video, VPN, two ways. Listen, I wanted to make this quick video because I had been dealing with this for a little bit, and I finally have a really good solution for anybody that's having trouble with their VPN. And this may change, but this is the solution I have for it now. I've been blocked sometimes, and now I have a great solution for um, being unblocked. I actually, okay, let's talk about this. So sometimes when you get a VPN service, the platform that you're using for your virtual assistants, sometimes maybe the VPN service isn't that good, and then the platform will try and ghost you and make you, what's it called? Ghosting. They ghost your account. So you think that operating, um, you're operating the right way with your virtual assistant, but you find out you're ghosted, meaning when a platform ghosts you, it means like it seems like everything's okay and like everything's working, but in reality, none of the actions that you're doing are working. So, for example, you could get ghosted on OfferUp, which means like whenever you send a message, it doesn't actually send, but it shows on your end it sends, and it will do that. Even Craigslist will sometimes can have that, and on Facebook they just disable your account. So this is an easy way to I'm going to explain two ways that you can set up a VPN. Currently, what I have right now is I've been using just VPN services, and I've been successful in it. And now what I'm going to be implementing is buying an iPad, getting a new phone number, and just like setting up a new identity on another account. That's what you have to do sometimes, because with certain platforms, if your phone number, Facebook, email, even like it's called IMEI. I don't know how to say that, but they have it. IME, something like that. If any of that is associated with an account, they will make sure anytime those things come up, they'll ghost your account. So one way to not get ghosted, this is gonna, one of my students recently applied this, and he bought a phone, and he got a new phone number, new Google, Gmail, new everything, so he was able to get back onto the platform. And what he uses is he bought the phone. He put Team Viewer. Now that's an application that will give remote access to people anywhere in the world. So, for example, if you hire somebody in the virtual in the Philippines or anywhere else, an assistant anywhere else, you can give them the app, and it's a certain code that you give them so that they can log on to your computer, your desktop, your phone, whatever you have, so that they can do work. But guess where the phone's going to be at? The phone is going to be located in America, wherever. It could be in Florida, it could be in California, whatever. As long as it has power and there's Wi-Fi, actually not even Wi-Fi, as long as there's a network and there's service, you can get your virtual assistant to get remote access. So what you have to do is you have to download TeamViewer. Your virtual assistant has to as well. Then you set up between you two so that he or she can log in to TeamViewer on your device. And then what will happen is people will, literally, your virtual assistants will be working from your device. but only because the app is giving them remote access to your location in your device. So this is one way that you can avoid even the VPN service. Because like I was saying earlier, guys, it just depends on the VPN, but sometimes for whatever reason, I don't know exactly why, but some VPNs work and some don't. And you have to like go through like a trial. And like sometimes CyberGhost works for me in California and sometimes it doesn't. So these are little things that you have to kind of figure out on the go. So, but this is a really good way for nobody to be, fucked over. As long as you have your device in America, and you give your virtual assistant remote access from wherever they're from, it'll be as if you were working. It will be as if you were working from uh, that location. That's what it looks like to any platform, right? So this is a way to not really go through the trial and error of each VPN service. But we'll talk more about this because I'm in Mexico. So right now, currently, I already bought an iPad. My family is going to hold the my iPad in America, and they're just going to have it hooked up to the wall using their Wi-Fi over there, and it's going to have a phone number and a service and everything. But as long as the computer is in good Wi-Fi in a good area network in the States, then you really have nothing to worry about when it comes to being flagged. And this could be because this is a big thing, because you got to think, like, if you're traveling full time, even if you're not traveling, if you have a virtual assistant, one of the biggest worries is your virtual assistant being flagged because of where their IPN's at. So you kind of have to worry about IPN. You got to make sure they only log in when their VPN's on. Because if Google, Facebook, Craigslist offer up all these different things, if they see that you're logged in another country, that's a flag for them, obviously. So you kind of have to, like, as a business owner, that is a stressor, because it's so easy to just like log in and just be like, and it's so easy to just log in accidentally. So this can definitely ease your worries. It'll be step one, log into TeamViewer. Step two, okay, now you can work. Now that you're logged on TeamViewer, you can work on this device and blah, 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 whatever, right? So I just wanted to make this quick video on VPNs. My virtual assistant course will constantly change because technology is always changing. So I will constantly update this beautiful program. So thank you very much, guys. See you later.